This little guy making weird laughing noises? Yeah, that's actually a red fox. Out of all the fox species, red foxes are the most widespread. And when it comes to brains and emotions, they're one of the top dogs in the canine family. They make all kinds of sounds to express how they're feeling, and sometimes they literally sound like a person laughing. Not just any laugh, though. We're talking laughing like a woman who just lost it kind of laugh. Creepy? A little. Funny? Absolutely. Compared to other foxes, red foxes are pretty easy to spot. They usually have a reddish-brown coat, a bigger body, about 28 inches long, and that fluffy, oversized tail. Total icon. They're also survival pros. From freezing Arctic tundra to blazing hot deserts, these foxes can thrive just about anywhere. Talk about adaptability. Now let's talk baby foxes. They're insanely cute, especially the ones raised by humans. They act just like puppies. Sweet, clingy, and constantly begging for attention. They'll even roll over and wiggle their bellies like, hey, look at me, I'm adorable.